FTX Crypto Exchange Review, My Usage Experience. FTX US is a robust cryptocurrency exchange tailored for traders of all levels, from beginners exploring crypto to experienced users seeking advanced tools. Known for its intuitive interface and low trading fees, it offers a seamless experience for spot trading, margin trading, and futures. One standout feature is the range of supported cryptocurrencies, over 80 popular coins and tokens, making it ideal for those looking to diversify their portfolio. FTX US also excels in security, implementing features like two-factor authentication, wallet insurance, and strict compliance with US regulations, ensuring a safe environment for your assets. For advanced users, the platform's trading tools are a highlight. FTX US provides access to sophisticated charts, customizable indicators, and advanced order types, giving you complete control over your trades. The mobile app is just as efficient, offering full functionality for trading on the go. Furthermore, the exchange boasts high liquidity, ensuring smooth transactions even during peak market volatility. Another major plus is its fiat on-ramps, which allow you to deposit and withdraw USD via ACH, wire transfers, or even credit cards. FTX US also appeals to NFT enthusiasts by enabling NFT minting, buying, and selling directly on its platform, making it a versatile choice beyond standard crypto trading. The fee structure is transparent, with trading fees starting at 0.1%, which decreases based on your trading volume, an excellent incentive for active traders. Additionally, its rewards program offers benefits such as discounted fees for holding FTT tokens, the native token of FTX. However, it's not without its limitations. The platform lacks some of the advanced features available on its global counterpart, FTX.com, such as perpetual swaps. Also, some states in the US have restrictions on features like margin trading. Despite this, FTX US remains a top choice for users looking for a secure, user-friendly exchange with a diverse range of features. In conclusion, FTX US is a well-rounded exchange perfect for both casual traders and professionals. Its combination of reliability, low fees, advanced tools, and innovative features like NFT integration sets it apart in the US market. If you're looking for a secure and versatile platform, FTX US is definitely worth considering for your trading needs.